In this video, you'll learn how to link Google Authenticator to your OKX account. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully set up two-factor authentication, enhancing the security of your account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to okx.com. Ensure that your internet connection is stable, as a slow connection may affect your experience. Once the website loads, you will see the main interface of OKX. Next, locate and click on your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. This action will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account settings. You should be able to recognize this menu as it includes links such as accounts, security, and logout. After that, select the security option from the drop-down menu. This section will display your account security settings. It is crucial to review these settings to ensure your account is well protected. Once you click on security, you will see a list of security features available for your account. Once this appears, look for the option labeled Set Up in Authenticator app and click on it. This step is essential as it initiates the process of linking Google Authenticator. You will see a prompt that provides instructions and may display a QR code, which you will need for the next step. Next, open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app installed, download it from your device's app store. Once you have the app open, tap on the plus icon to add a new account. You can either scan the QR code displayed on the OKX website or manually enter the key provided. This is a critical step as it ensures that your Authenticator app is linked correctly to your OKX account. After linking the app, the Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code back on the OKX site to complete the setup. Ensure you enter the code promptly, as it will expire after a short duration. Once you enter the correct code, a confirmation message will appear indicating that the setup was successful. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.